Greetings everyone, on behalf of our team, would like to explain our research entitled Multimedia Application Based on Virtual Reality for Introduction to Courses in University. The following are members and lecturers of this research. Research from Irene Guntur in 2014 showed that 87% of Indonesian students made mistakes in choosing college majors. Following are the consequences for choosing college majors that do not fit themselves. 1. Students are not able to find self-potential. 2. Students are unemployed due to lack of skill. And lastly, students feel stressed and depressed because they cannot adjust. The purpose of this research is to introduce college majors to students, and virtual reality is seen to be a fitting media to achieve that purpose. Virtual reality requires the user to interact and actively participate, and this motivates users to explore around. This is an overview of the methodology. First, we identify the problem. Then the data analysis process is carried out based on user analysis, system requirements analysis, flowboard, and use case. Then the test is carried out using a prototype aimed at the target user to get evaluation results. Here is a survey that we distributed to see whether or not they are interested in the application introducing majors. First, we asked if they were sure about their choice of major. This chart shows the result. This chart displays respondents who are interested in the application introducing majors. The orange color user is sure about their choice of major, and the green color is not sure about their choice of major. It can be concluded that the majority of respondents are interested in the application of introducing majors. This is the flowboard of this application. First, user will be shown a screen to log in. The user will fill in their name, initial, school, and email. Then the user will be taken to the main room, which has a scoreboard and a door to the majors booth. Booth has posters about information related to majors and also has doors to fun games. Fun game scores will be entered into the scoreboard. This is the use case for the application developed. Activity from the use case diagram are as follows. Login. Players input their data and the system receives players' data. Explore the room. Players explore the room that contains booths that are related to college majors. Reading majors information. Players read the information that are contained in each booth that are related to college majors. Trying fun games from majors. Player can be educated with fun games based on each major. Logic maze. Players can be educated about IT through a maze fun game combined with logic questions. Hiragana Saber. Players can be educated through a fun Japanese literature game. The game teaches about the hiragana. Floor color. Players can be educated about visual communication design through a fun game, which is about matching colors. Colorblind shooter. Players can be educated about visual communication design through a fun game, which is about colorblindness tests. Score. It displays highest score and player score. Exit. Players exit the application. Here is the implementation we use, game development lifecycle. First step is initiation. It's the game planning and design session. Pre-production. Discusses game design and game production plans. It's the same with initiation, but the idea is fixed. Production. Game creation stage. Testing. Prototype testing is carried out by an internal team of developers. Beta is a game that has been completed but not yet ready to be distributed or sold. And at this stage, external testing is carried out. Beta testing. If there's bugs or problem, you can return to production cycle. If not, then it will be able to continue towards release. Release is the stage where the game is really ready to be sold or released to the public. Here are some pictures of the application, the booth, gallery, portal to the fun game, and the information that's provided in the booth. Here are some fun game screenshots. Colorblind shooter, logic maze, floor color, hiragana saber. This is the result of the survey that has been distributed to prospective students. These two surveys were conducted at different times. The survey above is a survey of user needs which has 37 respondents. It can be seen that the voting result has a positive response. The survey below is a survey of 5 human factors, which has 31 respondents. It can be seen that the voting result has a positive response. From the slide before, we can conclude that the application and games developed can be used to help introduce majors, as 83.9% of respondents agree that the application can introduce majors, and 74.2% of respondents agree that in-app games can introduce majors. That is all for our presentation about our research. For your attention, I, on behalf of our team, would like to thank you.